Hello everyone, this is Zahra from Moodle for Teachers EVO 19. In this very first video tutorial of this session, I would like to explain how we can directly speak from the editor. For this reason, first of all, we go to the new discussion. We add a new discussion topic. Okay. As you see here, the subject line and the message are required fields, so we have to write something in them. Let's write record from editor. Okay. And now we go to this part, the editor. As you see in the editor, we've got different options, and some of the options here are related to recording MP3, audio records, and video records. Okay, now we should click on the recorder that has got the icon of a mic. Okay, this window opens. This might be different in your system, but in my system I can see this window. Create media file. After recording, press insert after uploading. So here is the timer, the recording, the play, upload, insert, cancel. Okay, let's go to recording. Hello everyone, this is Zahra from Moodle for Teachers EVO 19. Okay, I just recorded this sentence and pressed it. Now it's ticked green. I can play it to here to make sure everything is okay with it. It's a kind of preview. Hello everyone, this is Zahra from Moodle for Teachers EVO 19. Okay, everything is okay with it. Now it's ready to be uploaded. Okay, uploading 100%, uploaded successfully. Now I can insert it. Press insert or click on the insert, and as you see, I have this link here. As soon as I save it and post it to forum, we can see the recorder. Now that I want to check it, I go to this part, replies. So far I do not have any reply, but yes, as I come back to my message is viewed in this way. I can hear it, play it. Hello everyone, this is Zahra from Moodle for Teachers EVO 19. Okay, now we can change the voice, or here you can see something. We can download it and do many things. We can delete it or edit the message. Okay, this is all for recording from message. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a nice time.